This is how you can make a stand for bicycle repair and servicing using improvised materials and a ladder. For this, you only need the ladder itself, 2 wooden boards, 2 screws, and a screwdriver. First, screw in the screws at a certain distance from each other, approximately along the center line of the boards. Place the boards so that one is above the profile of the support legs and the other is below them. Then tighten the screws. Now you can place the bicycle on the stand and comfortably carry out servicing or repairs. The functionality of the ladder has not been affected either. It can still be used without any disassembly.